If you are looking for a tutorial for nested collection of a Firestore database, this tutorial is for you. You're gonna learn how to create a collection inside a document of another collection and add item into this collection and fetch those items you stored. So let's dive into it. I made previous few videos about how to connect Firebase to Flutter application, how to save data, and how to fetch data. From previous tutorial, this code was for saving data to Firebase. Let's open Firebase console. Now I am opening a document from here. In this document, the item is age, name, and email. Now I want to add more details for this user. That's why we will create a new collection for this document. And in this document, we will store more items. So we need this document ID for future steps. That's why we will store this document into a variable while creating this. So let's name the variable as docref and the type will be document reference. And we need to add a keyword await. And make sure you make this onPressed function as asynchronous. Now store the ID in a variable writing docref.id. Now write collection reference.doc and in this doc pass this doc ID and write .collection, and in this parameter let's write a collection name you want and then write .add. In this parameter pass your data. Now add data from text form field. Open Firebase console and you can see that the data is stored in this collection.